Every bloody night, Tina, it's the same thing. Every night I forget something downstairs, I have to go back down, go and do it, come back up, and I find something else I haven't done. And now I come back up and I think I haven't done the vacuuming again. It's been a week in dirt. Bringing my dirty shoes upstairs that has been at the chickens, probably with chicken turds underneath. I walk all around the house with it and then I have to vacuum. It's very bad. So that's all you're getting tonight, is you're getting me. No gloves, no shoes, baggy jumpers. That's what you're getting tonight. You can protest and say, oh no, do this, do that. No, not tonight, dear, not tonight. Tonight you're getting me in my raw, real state. No fancy, no glamour, nothing. Except Henry and me. Henry is in good form, look. He wants my jumper. He wants it in my jumper. Henry, it's not now time to play. Come on, Henry. Leave it alone. Leave my trousers alone. Henry, stop it now. Stop it, Henry. Henry. Henry, stop it. Stop, Henry. I've got things to do. Oh, this Henry. He's just so hungry. He's not seen me for 2 weeks. Oh, come on now. Come on, stop it. Oh, stop, Henry. He's got my jumper now. He says his jumper is only good for hoovering. He doesn't like my jumper, Henry. He thinks I should change it. Come here, Henry. We want the bathroom now. there, okay. It's not running very fast. That's it. That's it. Now as soon as I turn it off, I see loads of dust everywhere that I've missed out. Come on, where are you? You're safe to come out now. He's turned off. They're not showing up yet. I give them 5 minutes and they'll show up. All the big fat dusts, bits of mud all down there. Nice. I hold you accountable for any dust that I see that is left behind.